Hey guys, guess what we're doing? Guess what we're doing? Give up? So, we're going to paint a sprite. I'm not gonna name this to give you surprise. But, yeah, you know what we're doing? No? Okay. Yeah, we can set it to this. It looks like that. Oh, okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, we should definitely rename this or else. Oh. Also, basically, we also got to censor them. Okay. You're finished? Right now, right? What we're gonna do to the cut is, instead of just switching costume to, we're gonna drag out a shape block and just see if it's functioning. Clicks. Alright, let's see that. Oh, yeah, okay, 7, look at 7. Now we're going to switch costume to. Now, who knows why this is incorrect? Well, we'll see it's correct. No, it's not. See? Okay, let me just do a forever loop in order to make this. I told you it's not working. So what's happening here is we're actually setting the costume number to this. So costume 11, 1, 2, 3. So this is costume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you probably think it's gonna end when 12 is 9, but watch this. If it's greater than the costume number, it just wraps around and then restarts the process again. So in order to make that function for the first digit, we're gonna have to drag out a join. Okay. This named num, so copy and then paste this. Now you'll see it's all working. See? Now what we're going to do is make it function. First we might just change x by divided by 2. And then we're going to set, now we're going to add a new variable. Okay. Yes. But remember, for this sprite only, that you don't need this click since we're already. So first we're going to set index to 0, then we're going to change index by. Now this might not seem like it's doing something, but watch this. So now we're doing multiple. We're doing multiple digits, which can only be used in the create clone of myself. And then we'll test that out. After we created a clone, okay, P4. Check this. Oh yeah, we forgot to make it. Okay, we're going to 0. I'm only rounding it to the 0 number. Okay, so when you do that, let's go to 0, 1. Okay, let's go. Well, separate off this switch costume tool, since we no longer need that. So we're going to when I start as a clone. Now for the main sprite, we're going to hide, and then for this we're going to show. So there's So like when you do letter 1 of 100, that's 1. 2 is 0, of course. This thing, of course. Then 3, it's also 0. But when we go to 4, it's blank. So join now. Instead of doing letter 1, we're doing letter index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, we haven't wrapped this around in forever. And you'll see that's technically functioning. Alright, now I think we can add back the clicks. Okay, so let's see if it's working. Yep, it's definitely working. So you can make this bigger if you want. Maybe as big as I think that's enough. Now that's it for this video. Oh yeah, one thing. You see, it kind of just when you run it again, it kind of just disappears. Let me do that. So name a new block, naming it set up. Let's run without screen refresh. Remember, or also we'll do the same thing with that flashing. Okay, then we're doing setup. And you see, there's no flashing. Because if we did not do the run without screen refresh, it will be flashing. Now if you want to make it a little more detailed, we're going to, if you want to, it's in the next video. Bye.